In 2024, the automotive community proved something powerful. When we show up, we make a difference. Shop owners, manufacturers, builders, enthusiasts, millions of Americans, united by the belief that economic growth, innovation, and opportunity still matter. And together, our voices were heard.
I ended the Green New Scam and abolished the EV mandate at the federal level.
But the 2024 election was never the finish line. It was the starting line. Because the fight isn't just about winning elections, it's about delivering results. Relief for small businesses struggling under unnecessary regulations. Opportunity for manufacturers competing in a global economy. Support for innovators developing the next generation of automotive technology. Investment in the skilled workforce that keeps America running. Today, the automotive aftermarket represents thousands of businesses, millions of jobs, and a powerful economic engine impacting communities across America. Yet too often, the voices driving American manufacturing, innovation, and small business are overlooked by policymakers. That's why driving force action is back. Because policies matter, elections matter, and the 70 million people who represent our industry deserve leaders who will stand with them. Leaders who understand the value of small business. Leaders who support American manufacturing. Leaders who believe innovation should be encouraged, not regulated out of existence. Leaders who are willing to fight for the workforce that keeps America moving. Because we're more than an industry. We're job creators. We're innovators. We're entrepreneurs. And we're voters. We showed our strength in 2024. And driving force action is just getting started. Let's get to work.
Driving Force Action is responsible for the content of this advertising.